got trust, then you can do change. Change is hard in direct proportion to trust. If your people trust you, change is easier. If they don't, it's a lot harder, and it is that simple. So if you're calling a project mission critical, make sure it really is, and make sure you and your senior leaders aren't just calling it that in order to make it sound important, in the hopes that that will motivate people to get going. Obviously, there are projects that are that important. The question is, have you laid the groundwork in your culture, the groundwork of trust and transparency that will help you actually get to that essential outcome? Who am I to talk about this? I'm Grace Judson, and I work with technology companies to help them solve the people problems that derail tech project implementations, and a lot of that includes helping them build trust with the end user teams who actually have to use the tech that they're installing. Because if your mission critical or any other project is bumping into issues, whether that's with execution or the stealthy influence of resistance to the change involved, since all projects include some level of change, you've got a problem, not to mention a healthy dose of frustration. So think about leaders that you trust. Think about what they do to earn and keep your trust, and then think about which of those things you can do in your own way to earn and keep your people's trust and make things easier when the time comes for a big change initiative. Or, for that matter, a small change initiative. Don't wait to build trust when you're about to initiate a change. It doesn't work that way. As the old proverb goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So if you already have trust from and in your team, yay you, keep going. If you don't, and I hate to say it, but if you're not sure, you don't, get going. And if this short video raised questions about how to do this trust thing, drop me a comment or get in touch through my website. The link is down below, along with some other resources. I always come back to answer comments. And if this was helpful and for some strange reason you haven't already subscribed, you know what to do. And don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified when I release new videos. Meanwhile, go forth, contemplate trust and how you can build it with your team, and then take action and take care.